Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix restore purchase not working in FaceApp. So if restore purchases isn't working in your app, it almost always means Apple can't verify your subscription. Unless that your purchase is gone. So actually guys, first you will need just confirm that you are on the correct Apple ID, and that's the most common issue. So go ahead with your phone's or your device settings, and inside it you will need just to go and tap on your name at the top, as you can see. And here the subscription only restores if you're logged into the same Apple ID used to buy it. So you'll need just to go and check your email, okay? And if it's different, the FaceApp Pro won't appear. Also guys, you will need to check if the subscription is actually active. So you will need just to go and tap on the subscriptions option right here. It's the fourth option under the payments and shipping. So just go ahead, tap it, and here just find FaceApp and make sure that it's active. If not, or if it's missing or expired, restore will fail. Also guys, you will need to check your internet connection or fix it. So restore requires Apple server access, so you will need to switch the Wi-Fi into the mobile data or vice versa, and avoid weak or restricted networks as well. Also guys, if you are using a VPN or ad blockers, you will need to disable them. So the VPNs can block the Apple's verification servers as well. So just go ahead and turn the VPN off and try again. Also guys, I do really advise to sign out and back into the Apple ID, and that's very effective. So just go back here, alright, and scroll down till you can see the sign out option, and tap it, sign out from your account, restart your iPhone, and then just sign back in. Then open the FaceApp and try restore again. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.